Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you CandyJar TV app and how to use it. Let's get started. CandyJar TV is a mobile app offering short, serialized dramas and fantasy stories. Think mini episodes meant to be consumed on the go. It updates weekly and uses smart recommendations. Now to get started, first you need to open up your app store and install your app if you haven't. So go to your app store, tap on search CandyJar TV on the search bar at the top of the page, and after this icon pops up, tap on that and then install your app. Once installed, open it up and create an account or sign in. The home tab shows featured series and new episodes. So this is the home tab. You can find here featured series and new episodes by scrolling down. Then you can tap a show to open its episodes list, typically 1 to 2 minutes each. Then you can hit play and you are into the story water style, perfect for quick watches. You can also use smart recommendations to find new titles based on what you like. This app syncs across phone, tablet and Roku, so you can stop on one device and continue on another too. You can also cast episodes to your smart TV using support for Roku and Chromecast. And that is all about CandyJar TV. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if you did and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.